Hey y'all, this is Pam with Pamshairexpo. I did the best that I could. I put some of the wax off on here, so oh Lord have mercy. But I put some of that on there to get the wax off. But I do have some hair that's left. I'm getting ready to tweeze. But I think I did a pretty good job. Like I said, my beard gone. But I got some that's left up there. So what I'm doing right now is just tweezing. The rest that's left of the baby, I could not. I'm sorry, I couldn't fit. No, it was hurting too bad. I'm just gonna leave it up to my girl when when they open back. Well, I'm gonna wait a while because I ain't gonna just rush up there, even if they are open now. But I'm just gonna let my girl do it. But right now, I'm just tweezing the hair that I didn't get, and when I get to tweezing, I will be putting the cooling gel on it. So. But I just wanted to show you guys. Woo! I did it though. I did it. It took about 15 minutes, but I did it. So yeah, like I said, I didn't got rid of the beard. I'm just gonna get these straight hairs. But thank you guys for watching and sticking in there with me. Like, share, and subscribe, and I love you and peace.